We're going to teach you how to do forms today. This is our form tools right here. You click on to create forms. We'll call this form contact us. Our action is a form.php and we want to post. Now we have a form area that we're going to fill in. I usually do a return just to give me a little space to work with. Now on our tools we can put a checkbox, a radio button, text field, text area, section field, which is a drop down menu, create a button to submit with, and then hidden fields. Now what we're going to do with this is start right out with, like, for instance, name. We're going to want to know that. I do a space. Then I usually pick a text field. Now I don't put any character width or maximum characters in here because then that way they can fill in as much as they need. And we put in name. We do not put something in here in value because that would put it in the value. It's a text area. We hit submit. Now we have a box here. Our cursor's at the other end. Let's say I want to add a comment area to show you what that looks like. Comments. So I would go over and I would pick the text area. Write comments for the name. And we'll do 40 wide, let's say, and maybe 5 rows. Give them that much space. Now we have a comment text area. Then if I want to do a carpets cleaned or ask a question yes or no question, I'd go over here to this, type in question, whatever the question might be. I would put in yes, and here you do want to put a value in the field because we want the value. We add that, no, and we put the value in over here because we want it to show up. Now we can modify, move up and down. We can have that set as a select value if we want one of these as a selected value, or if we want to give them multiple choices, we can do that. When we hit here, now we have a drop down with yes or no. Now I want to have a submit button, so I go over to the button. Now I don't need to put a name in here, but just the value, text value is submit. And then I want to have it submit. Now I've created a submit button, but I also want to do a hidden field. And on the hidden field, I want to put in here subject, and the name of the form is the value, contact us. Now if I want to redirect this when they hit the submit button to another page on the website or somewhere else, I do another hidden field and I say, I type in the name, I put in here redirect, and then wherever I want to redirect it to. So whatever page value, so it might be to home.html. And now I've got that. When they hit the submit button, it goes over there. You don't have to do that if you don't want to direct it somewhere else. That's where you do your building of forms. It'll give you enough start to do that. Any other questions, please call the office, 480-832-5511. Thank you.